Students, now we have question number 3, fill in the blank. In this question we have to fill the blanks. Okay, so A part you can see that 369 divided by blank is there. Here you can see that one blank, but this question I have solved for you. So 369 divided by dash equals to 369. Okay, you have to think like what we can divide by this 369 to get 369 back. So through one property I have explained to you that if you want the same integer, then divide that integer by 1. If you will divide 369 by 1, then only you will get 369. Okay, or you can solve it like this. So as nothing is there, this is blank, so we can consider a variable. Let missing integer be x. Nothing is there, so we can let the missing integer. Okay, you can take any alphabet, x, y, z, any you can take. So 369 divided by nothing is there, that's why we can consider it as x equals to 369. As we want to find out value of this variable, we have to transpose the number to other side, that is right hand side. Okay, here you can see that 369 divided by x is there. You can write it as 369 divided by x equals to 369. Okay, as we have to transpose it, so firstly we have to transpose it to that side, that is right hand side. So as here you can see it is in division, so that side it will be in multiplication. As we want to find out value of x, we have to transpose this number to other side. Okay, in class 6 also I explained this type of question, that if you want to find out value of any variable, you have to keep it alone. Okay, so 369. Now here you can see that 369 is in multiplication, so here when we will transpose it to left hand side, it will be in division now. Okay, and we can solve it as 369 ones are 369. Okay, what we are getting, x equals to 1. So like this also you can solve the question, that is fill in the blank. Okay, if you can imagine that what number we can divide to get the other number, then you can do it directly, otherwise you can solve it. Now see B part of same question, that is fill in the blank. Here you can see that blank is first, then divided by 4 equals to -3. Okay, here also you can solve directly. Okay, like 3 4s are 12. Okay, and 12 divided by 4 equals to 3. Like this you can solve, but we can solve it through one other method, that is let the missing integer be x. Okay, so we can write it as x divided by 4 equals to -3. Okay, x divided by 4 equals to -3. As we want to find out value of x, we have to keep x as it is, and we can transpose this 4 to right hand side. Okay, firstly you should write it like this, then solve after that. Okay, here you can see that 4 is in division, so when you will transpose it to right hand side or the other side, it will be now in multiplication. So -3 is there, and here we can write 4 multiply by 4. Here it is in division, so when you will transpose it to this side, it will be in multiplication. Now 3 4s are 12, and minus plus is minus. No sign is there, it means plus is there, so minus plus is minus. Okay, so value of x is -12. Okay, now you can put it here is -12. Now we have C part of the same question. Here you can see that blank divided by 1 equals to minus 87. Okay, you can do this question also directly, as all we know that if you will divide the integer by 1, then you will get back the same integer. This property I had explained to you. Okay, if you will divide any integer by 1, you will get that integer back. It means in this blank we should write minus 87, but we can find it through one solution. Okay, let again consider, or let the missing integer be x. Okay, so we can write it as x divided by 1 equals to minus 87. Now you can write it as, okay, now 1 is in division, so when you will transpose it to right hand side, it will be in multiplication now. So x equals to minus 87 into 1. Minus 87 into 1 is what? Of course minus 87. So value of x is minus 87. Now in blank you can write minus 87. Now students, you can see that D part is minus 75 divided by blank equals to minus 1. Okay, this also I had explained to you that if you want 1 in the answer while dividing integer, you have to divide that integer by that same integer, then only you will get that integer back. Okay, or you can solve it again. Let the missing integer be, now we can assume it as y. Okay, so minus 75 divided by y equals to minus 1. Okay, we can write it as minus 75 divided by y equals to minus 1. Now as y is in division, when you will transpose it to right hand side, it will be in multiplication. So minus 1 into y. Minus 1 into y will be minus y. Okay, we can cancel this minus by minus. So value of y is what? 75. If minus sign is on the left hand side and right hand side both, then you can cancel them directly. Okay, so value of y is 75. Now you can write here 75.